Hi friends, it's Madison. Today we are at the Grassy Waters Nature Preserve. It is about 4 miles or about 5.5 miles away from the Winding Rivers Preserve that we did a couple weeks ago. Again, we're just going to explore and we're going to see if we can find any gators today. Any wild gators, because we have yet to see any of those. So I'm hoping that will be something we see on this journey today. If not, maybe we'll see some birds, some turtles. We'll see what we see. First off the bat, in this parking lot, you've got some restrooms. The other location did not have that. You've also got, on the other side of this car right here, there's some benches right next to some water. And then you also, over this way, there's some more benches, kind of like a picnic area. So far this place has a bunch more benches and more infrastructure than where we were the other day. So I gotta fix my gimbal and then we will keep this journey going. It felt so loose, like it was gonna fall out. The wild thing about over here is like you're right next to the water already. Like you can just look right there, there's the water and there's where the cars are. So like literally the water's right here and then your cars are right here. So you are right next to the action over here. One thing I did learn about this place, it closes earlier. It closes at 4:30 in the afternoon. I don't know if it's any later during the summertime when it doesn't get dark till 9 o'clock, but I don't think that's a thing that changes here. So, Grassy Waters Preserve Trail System. There's quite a few trails, even though the funny thing is there's like, oh, look at all these colors. I only see red. So, let's see, it says snail kites are a common sight at bald eagle's nest here in the winter. Look for alligators, pig frogs, apple snails, great blue herons, and aningas. Okay. And there's also a staffed nature center somewhere in the parking area. Okay. Over here you can actually see a different color. I'm still looking for the blue ones. Oh, okay. So over here you've got your red one. It just kind of zooms this one in over here. So then you've got your blue one up over here, or at least one of them. Then there's another one way down over here, which is nowhere near where we are. So I don't comprehend that. I don't know. I don't have. We're just gonna walk the red one because we're here. It's almost 3 p.m. They close soon anyway. So let's go see what we can see. First off the bat, oh, you're not allowed to feed the squirrels. I've never seen that. Oh, poor squirrels. Feeding wildlife is not healthy. Oh, apparently they had a squirrel problem here. And this place is nice. They've got the picnic tables with some umbrellas. How beautiful is that? We're gonna take a look over to our right in a second, but there is an information guide right here. Oh, I got hooked. This kind of explains what we've got going on over here. There's a pig frog, soft-shell turtle. That's what a ninga is. It's a type of bird. Oh, okay. And you got a mosquito fish, your alligator, obviously, long-nosed gar, common moorhen, the American coot, and the Everglades small kite. Oh, so it's a type of bird. Okay, and it feeds on apple snails, only found in waters or the tall grasses of the wetlands. Oh, wow, it's an endangered animal. Interesting, okay. What does the other side of this have to say? Oh, and then this side is a food chain, so if you would like to read that, pause the video and go ahead and do that. It's funny, they even have infrastructure for lighting yet. They close so early. Then over here, you've got, apparently, I guess you can rent canoes here at some point. So I don't know how to do that, but if you want to come and rent a canoe, that is an option, apparently. This is a chart talking about when we have droughts. If you want to pause it and read it. And we'll kind of come over here and duck down. Oh wow, okay. So you've got quite a few canoes that you can rent. I love these little grass huts, they're adorable. So then you also have this other grass hut here. I don't know how to access that. Then of course this is your kayak loading dock right here. And look at all that beautiful nature. It's just so beautiful out here. If I didn't have all that wind noise, this is just stunning. Wow. I am going to zoom it out for a wide angle shot. Okay. Let's move on and see what else this place has to offer. And let's see if we can't find one of them gators. Obviously, I'm not going to do anything to the gator. I just really want to see one in the wild because, like I've said before in previous videos, I have seen live alligators, but they were at like a restaurant for that type of thing. So I'd like to see one in nature one of these days. Alright, let's take a walk on the trail. See where the trail leads us. One day I'm going to have to come over here and have lunch. Especially now that it's getting cooler out. It's, winter time is coming. It's October 29th when I'm filming this. And we have some, in case you want to read that, we have some 70-degree weather coming in soon. How's it going? So it's going to get nice and cool over the next few days. Oh wow. There's a lot of learning you can do here. I'm going to have to do that one of these days. Alright, do we go right and go through the woods first? Or do we go straight to the water? I think we'll go through the woods first and go for that nice reveal after. So this preserve actually feels more like it's in the middle of nowhere to me. The area of road that I had to drive in takes you away from the city of West Palm Beach and brings you more toward the center of the state. So you are a lot farther away from civilization out here. And this is definitely a really, really great place to come and learn. There's so much to learn about. It's just so peaceful out here. Like, the vibes out here are fantastic. I'm just going to pause at all the signs, and if any of you want to read it, you're more than welcome to. I love that there's holly trees growing out of the swamp. Like, as I'm walking on the boardwalk, I'm above the swamp. Like, I'm literally in the swamp here. If somebody didn't take the time to build this boardwalk, I would not be walking here. So thank you to whoever took the time to build this. Um, it's very well constructed. I feel very safe here. This is a nice trail that they built for people who might be in a wheelchair or people with children in strollers. This is a really, really good trail for that. One of these days we'll check out a more difficult trail, but again, we're just hunting gators and whatever other wildlife we can find out here, and just getting ourselves out of the house, getting ourselves out into nature. It's a cool tree stump. It kind of looks like a toad. I'll zoom in on it. Yeah, it kind of looked like a toad at first, but it's just a tree stump. That's pretty cool. So yeah, I just needed to get out of the house, film a video, and get some sunlight on my skin, and come out here and film for my mental health, because my mental health is important. Just like everybody's mental health is important. Yeah, there's nobody else around me. I just did a 360. Like, I'm in the middle of nowhere. It is incredible. It feels great. Like I said, the vibes out here feel incredible. And it just, what a gorgeous place. And again, when you're looking over the side, you can see that reflection there? Sort of. But yeah, you can see the water. Like, the camera doesn't have peripheral vision like I do, but I can definitely see the water there. I did pass a few folks out here so far, and they were out taking photos and enjoying the wildlife too. So I think that's really wonderful. Oh, yes. I love it. All right, I'm going to unplug and I'm going to go sit in the rocking chair for a second. Oh yeah, y'all need to experience this. This is peak. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna come get y'all. We need to experience this. I don't even know if you can see me, but from me being in the rocking chair to me actually being in the rocking chair. But this is just absolutely peak. You've got your little shade cover right here. You've got your rocking chairs. This is about halfway through the trail, and this is just like heaven. We'll get up in just a moment. I just wanted to enjoy this because I don't really get a chance to rock in rocking chairs often, and kind of give y'all a chance to just relax too. So 15 more seconds of this and we'll move on. Are you ready? All right, that was beautiful. Again, they have a couple of rocking chairs right here. And then of course you've got you literally have the swamp right behind you, right behind your chairs. The place is so wonderful already. Might have to come out here and just do this place as my normal walk. go around the loop a few times because I think it said it was only a half a mile long, not even like 0.4 miles, so it's just over a quarter mile. So walk around here like 8 times, get a couple miles in, something like that. I don't know, we'll see. It's about 15 minutes from where I stay, so we'll consider it. But yeah, they definitely have the infrastructure here to have this place open later. So there's even lights. So something had to have changed probably in the last 5 years. And that's why we are now where we are currently. So we have another option. I'm going to take us to the water so we can see or I'm going to take us to the open air this time for right now. We're going to take the other trail in a second. Oh, okay, so this leads us back to the nature center. Okay, so we will go back the other way again, but there is a nature center over here. Alright, so we'll leave that for last. So let's go see what's down the rest of this ramp or the rest of this boardwalk. Oh wow, this side doesn't have any railings. And you're like literally like right there next to the water. Oh my god. And you've got your wide open right there through the trees. You can't see that much, but it's almost like a wide open field, even though it's swamp. Oh, well, that's very confusing. Is it the trail hold on. Is it the trail that's closed, or is it just that section that's closed? I'm going to assume it's that section because that's the only part that's roped off. Got people walking behind me, so I'm not supposed to be here, they'll tell me. But I think they're walking this way too, so. I will say between the two different nature preserves, the Winding Rivers and this one, Grassy Rivers, this one actually puts you into the swamp, whereas the other one puts you around the swamp. So that's like the main differences that I see here. Just the location of where they want to put you. And so far we've definitely seen a lot more wildlife in the last video than we have today. I've heard wildlife, but have yet to really see any. Could be because I got here mid-afternoon, which is a little bit too late. I don't know. Shoot, I haven't even seen any lizards, which is just kind of wild. Unless the lizards don't want to come all the way out to this area. Okay. Cool. Oh. That's that's kind of funny. Okay. Oh God. I about walked into a spider web. With an active spider on it. Let's see. Nope, we're not going that way. I don't know if I want to even keep going this way. I don't want to walk into a spider. So far we have not, but this isn't like the woods where I can pick up a stick and start swinging. Yeah, it just sort of seems like somebody or nobody's gone that one particular direction yet for the day. So we're not going to go that way. Yeah, I have no idea where this is going. I really did not anticipate this video being this long, but kind of glad it is. It gives you more time to hang out with me, more time to take this walk through the swamp with me. So how often are you going to get the chance to walk in a swamp? Like literally, we're in a swamp. Like I don't even know the logistics to get this built. Like seriously, like that must have been something else. Oh look, okay, we're coming back up to the railing again. Oh, sweet. Okay, I'm glad we walked. This opens up to a beautiful area to spot lots of birds. Awesome. You've got your short path, which leads to a dock, so I guess you can go kayaking. And you've got a ramp up. Which gives you this gorgeous view. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be, so that's where we came from. We're going to pan around, just show you the sure amount of beauty in front of me right now. Like, it's just gorgeous. And the birds I had seen flying around when I got here took off. They even have these little things for you to look through. I don't know if they work or if you have to pay money. Let me check. Oh no, you don't even have to. They're free. Okay, hang on. Oh wow. Let me see if I can. I really can't see if you can see anything. Trying to, like, I can't see anything but the reflection on the screen of the camera now. It's overheated too much. But we'll put you on there and you can kind of imagine what view you would have gotten. And then we'll zoom you in a little bit. So that's basically what the view would have been. Let's see if we turn it. Whoa. So what our view would be this way.